안녕하세요. This is the second video for Essential Korean Adjective for Beginners. So here are some must-know Korean adjectives to describe personalities. 친절한, kind. 친절한 사람이 날 도와줬어. A kind person helped me. 친절한 person. 재미있는, fun. 새로운 친구들 어때? How are your new friends? 재미있는 사람들이야. They are fun people. So you could use the word 재미있는 to describe 재미있는 사람들, 재미있는 people. 진지한, serious. 교수님 어때? How was your professor? 진지한 분 같아. I think he's a serious person. So you can describe somebody as serious using the word 진지한, name. 정직한, honest. For example, if I were to ask 어떤 사람이 되고 싶어? What type of person do you want to be? I could say 정직한 사람, an honest person. 나는 정직한 사람이 되고 싶어. 똑똑한, intelligent. 똑똑 means knock knock, but in this case it's used to describe personality. So if you want to say he is an intelligent person, you could say 그는 똑똑한 사람입니다. 긍정적인, optimistic. My glass is half full. I am a 긍정적인 사람, an optimistic person. 부정적인, pessimistic. So this is the opposite of optimistic. My glass is half empty. This is me being a 부정적인 사람, a pessimistic person. 겸손한, modest. So in traditional Korean cultures, it is believed that modesty is one of the most important personality traits to have as a Korean. You could say 겸손한 사람, a modest person. 그녀는 겸손한 사람입니다. She is a modest person. 급한, impatient. As you know, Koreans have this 빨리빨리 culture where people are very impatient. So you could describe a Korean as 급한 한국 사람, impatient Korean. So those were some most commonly used Korean adjectives to describe personality. In the next video, we'll teach you some Korean adjectives that are used to describe a person's emotions. So tune in and subscribe to our channel.